In Islamic art and architecture, geometric patterns are seen everywhere. In tileworks, wooden windows, arches and domes, bricklaying patterns, complex مقرنس structures, plant-like patterns, arabescos, carpets, and many other forms of art. In section 1, we address the fundamental geometric ideas used in Islamic geometric patterns and also refer to a number of historical sources related to this subject. Then we introduce main categories of these patterns. Patterns based on 4/8-fold symmetry, patterns based on 6 and 12-fold symmetry, and patterns based on 5 and 10-fold symmetry. We also provide explanation of the type of proportions that appear in each of these categories. In sections 2 and 3, we work on patterns of 4/8 category. We present various methods for drawing these patterns, including drawing inside a grid, a square grid, direct drawing by a ruler and compass, and also the creation of patterns through arrangement of basic motifs. Historical evidence for the use of these methods are also presented. In section 4, we continue this approach for patterns with 6 and 12-fold symmetry. We present various examples and we use the three mentioned methods: direct drawing, using a subgrid, and also using arrangements of some basic motifs for constructing these patterns. Chapter 5 is devoted to patterns with 5 and 10-fold symmetry. These patterns appeared later in Islamic architecture and their construction is more challenging. There are some very complex examples of these patterns. We examine separately two subcategories of these patterns: soft 10 patterns and acute 10 patterns. We present various methods for drawing these patterns, including direct drawing by a ruler and compass, arrangements of basic motifs, and also using subgrids. We also discuss some methods used by traditional masters in recent decades, such as drawing main motifs inside a regular decagon, and then by arrangement of the main motifs, they construct the patterns, and also converting soft patterns to acute patterns and vice versa. Finally, some more complex examples from both soft and acute patterns are presented. Section 6 is devoted to drawing arches, domes, and some other curvilinear patterns. Arches and domes are very important elements of Islamic architecture. At first, we present some drawing methods from a book by Jamshid Kashani, a 14th century Iranian mathematician, and then some drawing methods from books by some recent traditional masters. And then we examine drawing methods for some other curvilinear patterns from both Islamic and pre-Islamic art, Sassanid period art. Finally, in section 7, we work on mixed patterns, which are combination of different categories of patterns or use different kind of symmetries like 9-fold, 11-fold, or 14-fold symmetries. Drawing these patterns is generally very challenging, and we present a few examples of these patterns. Valdemar Januszczak, a Polish British art critic, during a visit to Taj Mahal has said, "No civilization has trusted geometry so profoundly." This course is a journey through beauties of Islamic art and architecture and geometric insights embodied within it. I hope you enjoy this journey.